8 elevators. And a really cool flow indicator. So these all 8 were installed by Otis. Then those outer 2 on each side were decommissioned. The middle 4 modded by Haughton. And then these 2 were decommissioned. And then that one and that one were modded by Dover. Have some dust. I was trying to see in the basement. I was trying to see into the pit. So I had my phone up against the glass. I was taking pictures, but they weren't good. The flash just reflected against the phone.
It took me probably like another 4 hours to get it wedged out. It's just in there. I gotta go ahead first. I'm trying to flip it around to get to it. And then finally when I get the part with the combination of the key, I forget the combo. So now I'm trying to and finally I open it, and when I open it, it's filled up with water. And so now I'm just like, I ain't never had no breakdown. I'm just sitting there, lose it. I just take everything out, put it in a duffel bag, get out, running the house. I'm going crazy. My mom is like, what's going on? Let's go in the bathroom. She's like, what the fuck is going on? What's the matter with you? And then I'm just trying to figure out like how I salvage it. When it was open,
Going down?
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, they're going down. And I'll show you what I mean in the basement. Probably gonna go up to get the guy. Look, you can see the cars are actually down here. 8 elevator cars. I don't even know if you can see in. Just barely. But you see what I mean? These 2, those 2 in the middle were modded by Haughton, and then the 2 on either side of them are Dover. Quite a crazy combination in one bank of elevators, huh? I don't even know. Why is there that? Is that for the door release? It's very weird. Look, you can see the cars in there. They just crashed them. Look, they have automatic doors. It's crazy. It's a damn shame those don't run anymore. It would have been nuts to be alive back in the day when those kinds of elevators were a thing. Yeah, Haughton. That one's up on 9. Let's see if the indicator works on this. It's very dim. Some of these bulbs behind them seem to be burnt out. Some of them go off really slowly, that's weird.